Time to put an end to this funky ride.